Welcome to our second episode in our ARKU podcast series. My name is Nicholas Miller. Today we're going to briefly discuss the principles of leveling with the example of our Ecomaster series leveler. That's a mechanical leveler. So these machines have a very easy access to the interior for maintenance-friendly nature. And you can see the basic design of these levelers is a lower block and an upper block with a series of leveling rollers on the top and on the bottom. These are supported all the way through by a series of support rollers to prevent deflection. And so what we're doing with leveling is we're subjecting the material to an initial bend through the machine, and it gradually becomes less until the part comes out flat. So now we're going to run a couple examples so we can see the machine in action. Now the part that we have chosen for you is a disc. It is 1.6 millimeters thick. First thing that we'll do is set it on the granite flatness table and check to see what the flatness is. And just by tapping it, we can tell that it pops up, and you can hear the noise that tells us that it's obviously not flat. So what we do is we set the machine at the inlet and at the exit. The exit is typically at material thickness, in this case 1.6 millimeters, and at the inlet it's a little bit less so that we can achieve that initial bend, and then the alternating bends afterwards, decreasing until the part is flat at the end. Now all that we do is set the part on the inlet of the table. We can hand feed it into the machine. The machine pulls it through and it's already out. We can grab the part and set it back on the table. And just by tapping it, we can tell that it's already flat. We can use a taper gauge if we'd like. Typically, you can achieve flatness in one pass, sometimes two if it's a round part are necessary. And that sums it up for this episode. Thanks for joining, and we hope that you'll be back for episode 3.